channel, glad to have you here. Let's dive into how to do KDP niche research correctly and effectively. I'm going to talk about the strategy that I adopt here on the channel in order to determine profitable Amazon KDP keywords nearly on a daily basis. Now, I spend so many hours during the day just doing my niche research and finding profitable KDP keywords for you, double checking with a couple of other metrics as well that determine profitability, and I only share the best keywords for you. So if you are interested in these kinds of videos on a daily basis, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, click on the bell icon in order to be informed on our new daily videos. So performing structured niche research can make an absolutely huge difference in your KDP business and also in any other business that you join, as in like an online business, whether that's print on demand on Etsy or in Redbubble, for example, or even content writing and SEO. So you can uncover insights and boost profitability by simply implementing proven strategies, which will help you to produce better results, a boost also in both sales as well as your book's exposure. So there are some tools that are designed to kickstart the KDP niche research process, and I've talked about them in a couple of other videos as well. For example, I've dived in deep into one of the videos about the 4 free Chrome extensions that I use on a daily basis in order to determine profitability. And these tools are designed to help save you time and to act as effective shortcuts. Absolutely amazing when it comes to using them. I've used them since I started Amazon KDP as a side hustle in late 2020. And one of the best keywords that I use is Self-Publishing Titans Chrome extension. I also use KDP Research Chrome extension, KDP Keyword Expander. I also use Amazon Scout Pro to determine the keyword niche score and compare it to the score given by Titans. And I've recently started using kdpextension.com, which helps me to act as a profit calculator for each of the books in order to determine profitability, number of sales per month on an approximate, number of copies sold as well, the royalty earned on each book, just for us to get more insights into individual books without having to use an extra tool outside of the tab itself. This one can be implemented and activated to show up on the Amazon KDP page or the Amazon.com page when you're searching for books, as I've shared with you. And the best part, they are all entirely available for free. There's no catches, there's no free trials. You can easily activate these. So in terms of the activation, the installation, to help you get started, you must install the Chrome extensions, which is a really easy way that takes only a few seconds. You follow the instructions provided and you witness the wonderful results that you've been seeing on the videos. So once these extensions are activated, you'll gain access to a huge amount of data that will give you an advantage in the highly competitive business of self-publishing. So the secret lies in the keyword niche score, which is one of the most important elements of this process. And this score will provide you with an overview of the potential of the niche, acting as a compass to help to guide you in the right direction. For example, if you get a keyword niche score of 50 and above, that's considered good. But if you get a keyword niche score for a keyword that shows a green light, usually around the 60s and above, this indicates that this keyword is promising. The higher score, the better it is. But remember, while this score is your co-pilot, for example, it is vital and important for you to engage your critical thinking skills and assess other metrics as well. A high score is excellent, but it should also be viewed in comparison and alongside with other factors as well. Other factors such as other niche metrics that we discussed as well. And I have recently also introduced a extra element to help determine profitability besides all the things that I've been actively using for each of the keywords. And that is, for example, you need to find a minimum of 3 books on the first page that are not sponsored, that have a bestseller rank of under 100,000. The lower, the better. And these books, for example, that have a bestseller rank of under 100K, They don't need to have the same keyword, the same title as the keyword itself. They just don't need to be sponsored, because once the book is sponsored, there's ads running. It does affect everything from the keyword niche score to the bestseller rank to the number of sales. It messes things up. So avoid books that are sponsored and focus on books that are organic results, organic sales as much as possible also, and they have a BSR under 100,000 and only on the first page. So let's dive into the data in terms of the niche metrics. The niche metrics are like, we can compare them to the North Star, which help you to determine the profitability of each of the niches. We've got elements like the search results, the average price, the average bestseller rank, and the average reviews, all help to paint a picture of the potential profitability of the keyword. Each of these metrics that we've talked about plays a role in shaping your decision-making skills and processes. So it's important for you also to focus on the first page results. While the metrics are the foundation that help to analyze the first page results of the Amazon searches, it is key to helping to unlock the niche's potential and profitability. You can evaluate the books that dominate the first niche. Are they well established? Do they have good number of views? Do they have consistent sales? Also activate the KDP extension.com, for example. Activate that extension to help you reveal the number of approximate daily sales per day, monthly sales, monthly revenues, number of copies sold, all this information with just one extra Chrome extension activated. So this analysis is not just about numbers, it's about identifying your potential competitors, learning from their success, finding the gaps that you can go ahead and fill with your own unique approach. Now, navigating your way to success requires a blend of strategy, insight, and patience as well. Niche research is not just about the data, it's about understanding the human's needs and desires and creating a content that resonates deeply with your audience. Now, if you would like to dive deep into my personal strategy in terms of the Chrome extensions that I use, details into that, you can go ahead and access a video that I previously created. And I wish you all the best. Take care and have a great day.